Yeah man, welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. And you know, so when you go on social media, everywhere you go, you see people just a war. So Jamaican just a cuss them one another and I try bring down them one another just to be famous on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. John knows that one to them ladies and the man them a do it too. We are burn them out still now, but we don't know. We have a video from Kingston 13 where she said she exposed Erica the landlord, so you don't know a whole heap of things she talk about, so just remember if you first see check, just drop a comment, you see it, and just like up the video and just subscribe to the TV, you see it.
Check out the ceiling with the cloth in our landlord, a bright landlord self would me tell me for sure my house and look what landlord people, them a landlord and them like where you get. Look on the ceiling again. Cloth under the ceiling. Cloth. I'm going to post the link on my page and I go over there go take it off. No, it's a very big house. People, look on the white part of the grill, at the white part. Landlord they on social media every day. Landlord take paint last year, August take how much 1,000 water paint from people. See the dirty people on landlord place. See the dirty. See the dirty. If you don't look over the part of the gate here, so the wall near mouth. See it here? See landlord also landlord. See there? Dirt and near it down. Dirt. Landlord, you need to go and scrub your walls before you talk about where people live. You can be live in a mansion, but if it's not clean, it's not a home. Landlord, I live into an old house that I rent. When you come to small island, you see, when you go talk to people, no good way you talk, say. And what's your name? Debbie Walters and the other one over there. Me pregnant in my throat. But guess what? You go catch landlord, catch Plummy first. Beard Plummy, and then you catch landlord and bearder. Oh, you go come call me scammer landlord. Scammer start in a you. When miss you in a house there. Landlord, where the money where you take for the liar? The landlord, oh, you collect money every week. And again, me I go show it up again. I'm going to put this all over. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. Look on the dirty aisle where landlord are cooking the mad people. And the landlord are tear down everybody pants. Since you see everybody, you never know me have it when me tell us I may have it. See it here? Beg landlord. See it here? Look on the aisle black and dirty. People, tell me now if this no wickedness. Where you gone? Tell me if this no wickedness. I'm going to make a screenshot of this and send it to the Portland Authority. You can't see enough of your video. I'm going to send it over there. See it here? As oh me love tell lie. As oh me love tell lie pan people. Me no make excitement pan social media pan nobody. Every week you come. The aisle where you go a restaurant go pick up. Look up on the table. Look on the table foot, landlord. You call people and I tell people they spend time to come off alive. People look how the table black. Landlord, look how the table where you cook pan black and dirty. People mo open and can't see it. Look there. Maras on the table where you put things pan for cook. Maras. Anytime you blame a beard plumbing, I go cock up my foot and give a walk through my house. Nasty dirty, look on the aisle. May I send this into the Star and the Gleaner and the relevant authorities at Portland. You're too bright. Me tell you, said, do not play with me. You are too bright. People, take a snap. Uno take a snap off of it. Take a snap off of the aisle. Everybody, take a snap. Debbie Walters, where you there? Phone away you gone. Don't go nowhere. Look on the table. You that talk about other people table. Come here. People, look here. Look on the aisle where the woman use a cook the people. Me not have to pay you no mind. Yeah, your family them live. I have family that I don't talk to, but will I disgrace them like this? Girl, you are Freddy Cougar, you are demon self. You are repair the house. You are so worthless. I don't. Me did have a king size because I'm a 3 kids. It could have opened up. So I have 3 small bed and a double bed. I put a sheet set and I use a sheet to cover. And each bed, my bed have 4 pillows and each of my kids because them always love pillow. And it has 2 pillows, so check how much sheet me have. Me, not have to beg nobody sheet. Your workless, no backside. I don't want customer road. And my boy not sleep because he's sick. Your workless, no backside. If you can talk about people for put sheet in a barrel, as all your love do. I saw your love do. Your love live off of people. Your workplace go take up your mama. You talk about my house, you see fimi ceiling. What happened to your generation them, your gingeration them? Because them there couldn't be a generation. They would have to be your gingeration because you're bit on a backside. How comes them have clatters then ceiling? That ceiling me have. And you come every week and I beg for cash up and a price not the people them small slowly. When you take me a come on social media with dirty girl life for you? No. But you did over there, you and dirty Debbie Walters. A show off yourself. You ever hear them say show off bring disgrace? You fix the house and you feel like say you're gonna use me. I don't know if you're not gonna get a chance there. But me not get a chance there. Go on the receipt them from the wholesale them a Portland a come and me a make sure actually £100 of chicken, £100 of rice. That mean to say a 1 month what a cooking that. Cause me see you with the 3 bag of rice on the Sunday morning them a go down. So you can't see and 40 people you cook for. 40. Not all of the mad people eat from our girl. Not all. Trust me, not all of them eat from her. So when you go come on social media and say you want disgrace people and you put up people picture, we are going to have a game of put up for put up. Go and tell the people them about the dirty oil. Look at that, not even engine. Not what engine oil are doing in your kitchen. What engine oil are doing in your kitchen. Because all the engine oil I know black so. Where you have to try, you can't get over me. Because I have more and I will be coming out. You feel like say you're the CEO for the blogging or when somebody help somebody you can call up me name about scamming. Go and WhatsApp where the woman 100 US where you the figure where you keep up the excitement where you text and go Canada go give your man. You can't talk about nobody for show them house because they say your house it big but it big and haunted. Look at your place and you get money last year, August, to paint the place for your birthday. Where is the paint and the money? What you take? I'll go before this phone here because the phone battery there for 15. Please share the live for me in everywhere where you can share it. Me beg you no, please don't do please if I ever forgot on the bed, just share and go on the bed. Me want to talk. Me one we talk. People look on the place where she a boast about. Look how the concrete stay. Where she take paint for paint. Your house is not a home. My old house is a home. That I am paying for because you're unhappy, you're sad. Even the wall outside of the other house. You want to tell me say you can't wash down your some paint you so the time you take the on social media about the people? Look on the situation, look on down in your mama yard. If I have to come back tomorrow and do a charge up my phone and come back tomorrow and do a live. Look on the wall, look on the step where you climb up and for going to the upstairs house. You're not afraid the maras make you sack your backside. No wonder insect in your house, no wonder you need a roast. You know, see as much as my house not turn good as card into you. Me not no insect in it. Me not have no insect in it. Look on the food where you cook and give people. Look on it. Look on the food. Look on the food where the people them have to eat. Look on the food. People take a screenshot. Do not play with me. Do not play with me. Do not play with me. Don't at me now. Don't send no WhatsApp to my phone. Look at the food. Look, this is the situation with the pot. Yeah, they are chat and pot. You know how much dust, corona, all sort of dust. You clean yard. Insect, you know, insect, you don't cook outside with your pot open. Look at it. Food are swimming at the all aisle. No wonder how the aisle because the aisle all. No wonder how the aisle can use so. No wonder how the aisle can use so like water. I want to get the aisle for me, or the engine aisle for me. No wonder how the aisle can use so much like water. When you know say she are wasting, you don't even know set to rotted. The aisle for me, because this your picture you got in my email. Down at the star and the gleaner. And over pink wall. You love excitement from people? Excitement I go come. Me tell you, me keep on telling you, so no send me no WhatsApp. Let me see if I can. Look on the food. Look on the oil. The engine oil. Look on the engine oil, people. See it there? Me never be the thing follower and name them one show as long as the people them where at me name number no show up. Anyway, I'm telling us, my picnic come first. It don't feel so good. So